have been invited to visit the VLCC in Pune, and quite honestly, I haven't really ever been to a VLCC outlet. All I know is Vandana Luthra, the lady behind the brand VLCC, and she is stunning, stunning, stunning. But I knew nothing more. So I decided to do some research.
I learned how to manage my budgets. I raised my kids myself. I didn't have maids because my husband, we started our life on we had a little barsati we lived in, though in a joint family, but our room was a very small room, and where I raised both my kids. Money was a problem, and I got into the normal routine
And as it turns out, she is not just gorgeous, not just a very successful entrepreneur, she has also been honored with a Padma Shri. She started with a small little place in Delhi in Safdarjung, and now VLCC is present in more than 11 countries. If you get a chance, you must watch this interview and hear her speak and tell her story. But for now, we're getting late and we must head to VLCC. Hi! Have you ever been to VLCC before?
No. But I've heard a lot about it, so I'm really excited.
So I was looking up Vandana Luthra.
She's so hot, I know. I've definitely read about her.
You know how old she is?
No.
I think she's about 58, 59
Wow.
years old.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Then it must work. But I have read articles about how she started off in Delhi, and now I think her daughters have joined.
Loan and started off in Delhi, and now she's in 11 countries.
Wow. It's super when it's just one woman that starts such a big, fabulous, successful empire.
Will
So-
that be you soon?
Yeah, I think so.
So our first steps into the world of VLCC, and very nice, beautifully done up place. They have an extensive range of products for every part of your body so that you're looking good and feeling fabulous. They have rooms for different kinds of services that they provide, state-of-the-art equipment, and this blue room is my favorite. I think it was so relaxing and nice just walking into it. I wanted to lie down on the massage bed and sleep. And they also have a very well-equipped gym if that's what you're looking for.
We can actually do a vampire facial that Kim Kardashian talks about. So, we do a vampire facial, it actually covers your pock marks, gives you a nice radiant glowing skin, and you're out and about. And I don't know how many of you know, but VLCC actually does vampire facials.
So what does that involve? And
What is a vampire facial? Is vampire. So what we do is we withdraw some of your blood, centrifuge it, separate the plasma and the platelets, because plasma is the richest protein content in your body. We take your plasma because then your body is not going to react to that plasma. So we take the plasma and with a derma roller, we apply it on your skin. So what happens is because it's like direct protein application, your skin renewal process happens faster. You'll have a brighter, radiant face, and the marks get all covered because you're doing derma roller and you're applying plasma, so that those pits that have been formed, they get filled. So you come up with nice, smooth.
so there's not. But if I can just clip on a few colored extensions, it gives you that look, right?
So you know,
Because
then
oh, and a mandatory look at my outfit. I was in a very summer Chandni kind of mood, so I'm all white and a little bit of gold with flowers in my hair because it's summer and I love my flowers. So after some VLCC style pampering, it's time to say bye to VLCC and head out to a place that I have been dying to check out for a while. Sorted Stories, which is a new restaurant in Pune, and I've been looking forward to checking it out. It's fairly small, but it's cute. Let's see how the food is.
Good.
Food are very good.
Good.
After how long are you eating pizza?
Not very long, sis. I eat a pizza pretty often. It's nice. Have some.